Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 3. There's a link down in the description, or you can search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission from any purchases. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 233. If we start with this row, we're missing 2, 4, and 7. We've got 4 and 7 here, so this is our 2, 7 here, so 4, 7. For this box, we're missing 1, 2, and 9. We've got a 2 covering these two boxes, so our 2 must be here, but I don't see any other help. So 1, 9, 1, 9. For this column, we're missing 5 and 9, and I don't see any help. So 5, 9, 5, 9. For this column, we're missing 1, 8, and 9. We've got an 8 here, so 1, 9. 1 covering both of these boxes, so 8, 9, 8, 9. And that means that our 1 for that column has to be here. For this box now, we're missing 5, 8, and 9. We've got 5 and 9 here, so this is our 8. 9 here, so 5, 9, and that makes this our 5. For this top row, we're missing 2 and 4, and I don't see any help. So 2, 4, 2, 4. For this row, we're missing 3, 4, and 5. We've got a 4 here and a 5 here, so this is our 3. 5 here, so 4, 5. That 4 makes this our 2, 4. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 7, and I don't see any help. So 2, 7, 2, 7. For this box, we're missing 1, 3, and 8. No help here. 1, 3, 8. 3 here, so 1, 8. And no help here. 1, 3, 8. For this row, we're missing 1, 4, and 7. We've got 1 and 4 here, so this is our 7. 4 here, so 1, 4. For this column, we're missing 1, 2, and 6. We've got 1 and 6 here, so this is our 2. 1 here, so 6, 1. That 1 makes this our 9, 1. That 7 makes this our 2, 7. For this box now, we're missing 2, 5, and 8. We've got a 2 here and a 5 here, so this is our 8. That 2 makes this our 5, 2. For this box now, we're missing 5 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 5, 9. That 9 makes this our 8, 9. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 4, 7. For this row now, we're missing an 8. And for this box, we're missing 1, 2, and 3. We've got 2 and 3 here, so this is our 1. I don't see any other help. So 2, 3, 2, 3. For this row, we're missing 2, 4, and 9. We've got 4 and 9 here, so this is our 2, 4 here, so 9, 4. That 2 makes this our 3, 2. This 1 and 3 makes this our 8, 1, 3. And for this box now, we're missing 6, 7, and 8. We've got 7 and 8 here, so this is our 6, 7 here, so 8 and 7. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.